Hello, it's Mr. Cowan here. I'm going to show you how you can animate a photo on your iPad using the Chatterpix Kids app. So that's the app we need to open up, Chatterkid.
Duck, moose.
The reason mine is taking, or my screen has gone all black, is because I'm recording my voice at the same time, and it seems to take a little bit longer than your one should to open up. Right, when the app opens up, you want to select Take Photo. And then if you touch the button down in the bottom left, if you've already got your photo on your iPad, you can do it this way. So I drew a panda earlier on, so I'm going to use this one. Now I can shrink my panda, I can make it bigger. So I'm going to make it fill most of the screen. That looks pretty good. Now up in the top right, I'll press the next button. So the next thing I'm going to do is record my voice. Now because I'm recording what I'm doing, this feature is not actually available just now. So your one will look slightly different. Hopefully your teacher will be able to help you with this. But what you have to do is draw a line on the mouth of your character. Nope, don't like that. There we go. Okay, that looks quite good. And then when you're ready to record the voice, you just touch the microphone.
Record in 3, 2,
you get a screen like this, and this is where you can start talking about the facts of your animal. So I'm a panda, I'm from China, and I eat bamboo. Then you press the stop button. So that's recorded your voice into your picture. The next thing you want to do, you can then press the play button if you want, so you can hear it. Once you're happy, and if you don't like what you've recorded, you can record again. And then once you are happy, come up to the top right, click on next again. And this is where we can start adding extra things. So if I click on the sticker button down the bottom, I could maybe add a pair of glasses onto my panda. Now these are a little bit big. Shrink the pinch to shrink. There we go. So I could leave those glasses on. Now I don't really want to leave them on, so I'm just going to press the delete button. What I am going to do though is add a frame. So down the bottom, now I've got all these different options. There's lots of Christmassy type frames, but I'm going to go for this one here. Nice and bright. Then the last thing I'm going to do is add my name to my picture. So I'm going to press the text button down the bottom right, choose the text I like, this one here, and I'm going to write my name, Mr. Cowan. I'm going to change the color to red, press the tick, and now I can just move my name around where I want it. I can twist it, make it smaller. So I think that looks quite good just in there. And once I'm happy, I'm going to press the next button, and that should have recorded. If I now press the gallery, it should have put my picture, into the gallery. Now if I press my picture again, what I'm actually wanting to do to finish off is export my video to my iPad. So I'm going to press the button in the bottom right with the arrow to send it to my iPad. Hopefully shouldn't take too long. And I think the reason it is there we go. Now if I press the home button to come out of here, if I search for my photos, hopefully we should see, we've got my video onto my iPad, and that is us done. Really looking forward to seeing the pictures and the animations that you all create.